Hi, my name is Patty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I tend to post mommy, cleaning, decor, and lifestyle type of videos, so if you're into that, just keep watching. Today, I have Loki's laundry day routine. I threw in a mini lookbook at the end of the video of all the outfits I created today. So after everything is washed and dry comes the fun part. I sort all of her clothing into different categories like tops, bottoms, pajamas, socks, and outerwear. Also, I will have links to all of the laundry products I currently use for Loki's clothing down below in the description box. I'm currently testing out the Method stain remover, so make sure you have those notifications turned on so you don't miss that video. I dive a little deeper into how I spot treat Loki's clothing, because apparently I have a science to this. After all the clothes are sorted, I put Loki's pajamas away first to make more room on the floor. There are some outfits I always recreate, so I will pull out those items first, and once that is done, I can go through the rest of the tops and bottoms to create new outfits. I think changing it up a bit keeps her wardrobe interesting and fresh. I will also leave a link to my top 5 styling hacks. It explains how I use the baby hangers to keep the outfits organized in the closet. It just makes everything that much easier. I find this routine of creating pre-made outfits pretty efficient at getting Loki dressed in the morning. After I finish making all the outfits I can, I will fold the rest of the clothes up and put them away in the drawers, and I will hang all the outfits up in the closet. And that concludes the laundry day routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.